Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Happy Home online classes. I hope all of you must be safe and sound at your homes. I know you all must miss school. This is the reason why Happy Home has started online classes. So in this video, I will be asking you some questions. Please pause the video, think of an answer, then play the video again. This will help you to understand the topic better. So in this video, I will tell you about materials. Yes, we did materials in school. So if you know anything about materials, please write it down on the piece of paper. This will help you to understand the topic even better. Moving forward, how many different everyday materials can you name? You can look at this picture and tell me, what are these objects made of? Let's see. Types of materials. Again, I am saying this. If you know any types of material, please write it down on the piece of paper. Wood, glass, plastic, fabric, paper, metal. So wood, glass, plastic, fabric, paper and metal are some types of materials. With the help of these materials, we can make a lot of objects. What are materials? Let's find out. If you know anything about materials, please write it down on that piece of paper. A material is a physical substance used to make things. In the previous slide, you saw that metal was a type of material. So with the help of metal, we can make a lot of objects such as metal spoon, metals, plastics, wood, rubber, paper, glass and fabrics are some of the main types of materials. Yes, with the help of these materials, we can make a lot of objects. If we look around, everything we see is made from a material. Okay, take a good look around. Samples around you. Did you find any examples? The clothes that you're wearing are made from fabric. The trouser or the t-shirt you must be wearing is made from the fabric. The chair you are sitting on is made from plastic or wood. Yes, plastic and wood are materials. What's next? The window in the school or your homes are made from glass, and glass is a material. Can you see any other examples around you? If yes, then write it down on a piece of paper. Oh, a wooden cupboard, a wooden chair, a wooden table. What are these objects made of? These objects are made of wood. Wood is a material that comes from trees. Wood is cut into different shapes and sizes to make objects such as chairs, tables, and doors. In this picture, we can see a kettle, a fork, knife, and a spoon, metal bottle, and keys. What are these objects made of? Let's see. These objects are made of metal. Metal is a material made from the rocks. Metal is strong and shiny. We can make jewelry, utensils, and cars with the metal. In this picture, we can see jug, jaw, window, marble. These objects are made of glass. Glass is made up of very fine sand. Glass is strong and clear. Another word for clear is transparent. It is used for drinking glasses, jugs, and windows. Scarf, trouser, clothes, skirts, tie, sheets. These objects are made of fabric. Fabrics are made up of cotton, wool, and silk. Fabrics are used to make towel, sheets, and shirts. Rubber bands, tires, eraser, rubber balls, pipe, rubber boots. These objects are made of material rubber. Rubbers are used to make objects like rubber bands, pipes, and rubber balls. We can easily find erasers in our pencil boxes. Can we? Yes, we can. Now coming towards properties of materials. If you know anything about properties of materials, please write it on that piece of paper. Property tells how the material looks and feels like. Materials have different properties that make them useful for different jobs. A property of a material is a description of that material. We use adjectives to describe the material. Oh, so we use adjectives to describe the material. Some materials are hard, others are soft. Some are strong, others are weak. So hard, soft, strong, and weak are some adjectives. Plastic spoons, plastic straws, plastic comb, plastic bottles. We can easily find plastic bottles in our home. Plastic is a man-made material. Plastic is all around us. We can make plastic spoons, combs, and bottles with the help of the plastic. What's next? Here is a list of the properties which describe different materials. Oh, so here are some adjectives. Let's see some. Strong. It won't break easily. Shiny. It reflects light. Flexible. It can be bent easily without breaking. Light. It doesn't weigh much. Heavy. It weighs a lot. Transparent. Something you can see through. Opaque. Something you cannot see through. So here are some words. We can use them to describe materials. Describing materials. Oh, here are some other words we can use to describe materials. Shiny or dull, rough or smooth, hard or soft, strong or weak, waterproof or absorbent, transparent, flexible or rigid, elastic or inelastic. So here are some words we can use to describe materials. What's next? Shiny. What does shiny mean? Materials that reflects a lot of light. And here are some examples. Glass, gold ring, diamond. So these objects are made of metal and glass, right? But these objects are also shiny. Dull. Dull means materials that reflects less light, and the examples are candle, wooden spoon, rubber. These objects are dull. Rough. Rough means materials have uneven surface, and the examples are doormat, sandpaper, screw. These objects are rough. Smooth. Materials have even surface, and the examples are iron kettle, mirror, paper. These objects are smooth. Hard. Materials that are difficult to scratch, and the examples are diamond, hammer, remote. These objects are hard. Soft. Materials that are easy to scratch. And the examples are socks, cushion, pillow. So these objects are soft. Strong, materials that are difficult to break. We cannot break them easily. And the examples are steel knife, spade, iron ruler. These objects are strong. Weak. Weak means materials that are easy to break. Plastic ruler, glass. We can easily break a glass. Can we? Yes, we can. Waterproof. What does waterproof mean? Materials that do not let water pass through. And the examples are umbrella, raincoat. When do we use umbrella? We use umbrella when it rains. Why? Because it does not let a pass through. Same as raincoat. Water absorbent. Materials that let water pass through or take up water. And the examples are paper, socks, kitchen rolls. These are the objects that let water pass through easily. Flexible, materials that are easy to bend. And the examples are rubber toy, soft, gloves. These objects are flexible. Rigid. Another word for rigid is stiff, and it means materials that are difficult to bend. And the examples are metal key, plastic toy, iron nail. These objects are rigid or stiff. Elastic, materials that can be stretched. And the examples are rubber bands. We can easily stretch a rubber band. Can we? Yes, we can. Inelastic, materials that cannot be stretched. And the examples are remote, hammer. We cannot stretch a hammer. Can we? No, we can't. Transparent, materials let light through. You can see through them. And the examples are hand lens, glass window, spectacles. These are the objects we can easily see through. Translucent, materials let some light through. You can't see clearly through them. And the examples are plastic bag, lamp shade, shower curtain. Opaque, materials do not let light through. You can't see through them. And the examples are wooden toy, door. Can we see through door? No, we cannot see through a door. Now it's quiz time. I will ask you some questions. Pause the video, think of an answer, then play the video again. So the first question is, which of these things are made of wood? Let's find out. A table, pencils, desk, ladder, bookshelf. A table, pencils, desk, bookshelf, and a ladder is made of wood. Well done. The next question. Which of these things are made of metal? Let's find out. Saucepan, spanner, key, tap, medal. So, saucepan, spanner, key, medal, and tap is made from metal. Which of these things are made of fabric? Think. Let's find out. Jeans, teddy bear, hat, flag, shirt, So these objects, jeans, teddy bear, hat, flag and shirt are made of fabric. Well done. Which of these things are made of paper? Let's find out. Book, card, envelope, calendar, magazine. So these objects are made of paper. Well done. Our last question. Which of these things are made of plastic? Let's find out. Watering can, radio, paddling pool, dice. So these objects are made of plastic. Well done. Thank you so much. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Bye-bye.